Hello friends, myself Mohammed Mustafa. Welcome to our course Mastery in 2D Animation, Complete Animation course in mobile. This is Module 1, Lesson 1. In this, we will tell you about what is animation and what is the industry of animation. So, let's begin. What is animation? Animation is technique that creates illusion of movement in a sequence of images, which means animation is that technique which shows images in videos form. Like, if I put 24 photos in 1 second and play, then it will be like in video form. And if I am playing 10-second video, then simply it is nothing but 30 photos per second in video form. I'll again remind you that the videos you watch, cartoon animation like Doraemon, etc. are not video, but that are photos or frames which play in a video form, and that are 30 photos drawn to make it 1 second video. Now let's learn what is frame. Frame is nothing but photos. Like in 1 second, how many photos would be played? Quality of playing video depends on number of frames per second. For example, if I keep 60 frames per second, then video will be smooth, and if I do 30 frames per second, then it will be like normal video. If I keep frames 24, then it might seem bit lagging. Animation have two types. First, it is 2D animation, and second, it is 3D animation. In 2D animation, there is two-dimensional space in which there are x-axis, means it looks horizontal, and y-axis, it looks vertical. Like, if it is on left side, then it will be visible on left. You can't see it in 360 degree. Only one side of it will be visible. But in 3D animation, front is on x-axis, right is on y-axis, also left is on y-axis, and height is on z-axis, which are visible. Now let's talk about what is the industry of 2D animation. We will see how they are made. So let's begin. I will show you the animations made by high-level creators and the power of 2D animation, and how you can make this type of animation after learning from this course. Let's get started.
Anna, you again?
You can visit my YouTube channel and subscribe it. I will post animation related all content there. So this is it for this lesson, and you will learn more things in upcoming modules and lessons. In next lesson, I will tell you about the evolution of 2D animation. Till then, bye bye guys.